Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily level up characters in Honkai Star Rail. To level up characters in Honkai Star Rail is super quick and easy. First of all, go ahead and launch open the Honkai Star Rail game on your device, and once you're inside this game section, go ahead and tap on the phone menu at the top left corner. After you open up this menu, click on Characters. All of your characters that you've unlocked till now will be displayed on the left hand side. Select your character you want to upgrade or level up and click on the level up button at the bottom right corner. To level up, you'll need to use EXP materials such as Traveler's Guide, Adventure Log, or Travel Encounters. If you've got them, you can go ahead and auto add them and click on Level Up. Repeat this step for every other character you want to level up, and if you've got enough resources, you'll be able to level up your character right away. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.